Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here with Adobe's Van Bedient. In lieu of NAB this year, we're doing our interviews virtually, and Van was kind enough to dial in and talk to us a little bit. Adobe recently had an introduction back at Sundance, which seems like a world away ago, productions for Premiere. It's now available. Can you tell people what Productions is and what it means in terms of workflows and collaboration?
Absolutely. Productions is a multi-user or single-user collaborative workflow tool within Premiere Pro. We're very excited about this release. It's the evolution of a lot of work around collaboration and project sharing within Premiere Pro, and we've had phenomenal feedback from customers and beta testers so far. It's been the underlying technology was already currently used on a couple large feature films and is in production on feature films right now. And it's just been, really, like I said, it's an excellent response from users about the performance, the overall stability, and just the doors that it opens up for long form collaboration and narrative workflows in Premiere Pro.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So everybody could use it now. It is currently available through the Creative.
It's currently available. It's part of Premiere Pro. It's not a feature you have to buy or license. If you download the latest version of Premiere Pro, you can get access to Productions and give it a try right away.
Fantastic. Okay. And you guys also recently made an offer available for Team Projects within After Effects and Premiere. Can you tell people about Team Projects and what this means for the product?
Sure. Team Projects is another collaboration solution from Adobe. It's cloud-hosted projects with local media, so it's sort of a hybrid workflow. And it's previously only available to Creative Cloud teams or enterprise users. So in response to the current health crisis, we've made it available for everybody. So Creative Cloud individual users can get access to Team Projects at no cost between April 14th and August 17th. It's just a gesture from Adobe to help enable remote workflows, help people work at home, and help people continue to be productive.
Fantastic. And speaking of remote workflows, everybody sort of was forced to adapt and build their own remote workflows during the crisis. Everybody's working from home, the ones that are lucky enough to be working, of course. What do you see for the future? What kind of technology or trends do you see coming out of this? Do you see studios with smaller footprints? Do you see more and more people working at home, or do you think it might go back to how it was, or a combination of both?
Well, certainly, I think we've seen more adoption of the cloud in the last few weeks than probably the previous few years. It's been amazing not only to see the technology get utilized, but to see the community and the resources in the community step up to help each other and help enable these workflows. So we've seen everything from virtualization, which I mentioned, through great partners like Bebop, people working with Team Projects, working on proxy and remote workflows, and people just having systems installed in their home or using their own resources at home to edit with. Everybody's just being very creative in the way they get things done, and it's been really phenomenal to see. Some of the new workflows that we've found or really accelerated forward over the last few weeks are definitely going to be part of the next few years moving forward.
Fantastic. Van, thank you so much for taking your time, and stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you soon.
Thanks very much for the time.